Disabling two-factor authentication on Postmates can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the app's home screen. Step 3. Go to security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. Tap on it to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox to disable it. Select this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a confirmation message. Check your account settings again to ensure that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Postmates account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.